Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Kai Matsuo from Nine Sigma Holdings. Thank you very much for joining the online meeting for our Open Innovation Program today. So today, we would like to discuss this Open Innovation Program offered by a Japanese leading chemical company called NOF Corporation. So last, we have a Q&A session in the end, so please feel free to ask any questions you may have. Okay, so this is the agenda for today. Firstly, we are having the introduction of this program and some technologies examples related to this program will be presented by representative of the NOF. After that, we will explain the proposal submission process, how to apply to this program. And finally, there will be a brief introduction of about NOF Corporation. So lastly, okay, in the end, we will have a Q&A session. But before we begin the presentation, let me explain how the Q&A session will work. So you can ask questions using the Zoom Q&A features by typing your question in the chat. So if you have a question during the presentation, you can enter your questions in the Q&A features. Or if you can't use the Q&A features, please click on Raise Your Hand features. After you click on Raise Your Hand features, the host will unmute your microphone and you can speak to the question to ask. So, okay, so firstly, we will start by the program overview by the NOF Corporation.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Matsuo. Thank you very much for giving you time to introduce NOF Open Innovation Program. My name is Yoshiro Sawada of R&D Planning Office of NOF Corporation, hosting this program. Next, please. First, I'd like to explain our program overview. We continuously create new value with cutting-edge technology in 3 business fields, which are life and healthcare, environment and energy, and electronics and IT. Therefore, we are launching this open innovation program for solving social issues and challenges in healthcare and medical field globally at this time. Next, please. Next, please. Okay. This program theme is looking for new technologies and products for developing new value that will contribute to our society in wide variety of healthcare fields and areas. These specific fields of medicals and medical devices we are focused on are shown here. It would be helpful if you could see the details on our website. The following is explanation of anticipated technologies and materials for each time. So the first theme is regenerative medicines, cell therapeutics, and gene therapies. We are expecting products and technologies for high gene delivery efficiency and high tissue specificity products. Also, we are finding for high yield cell isolation and purification materials and or technologies. Or if we have a 3D cell cultures, we are very interested of your product. Next theme is in vivo diagnosis. We are looking for the products and technologies for improving detection sensitivities and precision. Also for speeding up testing and diagnosis, and for stabilizing diagnosis, markers, antibodies, etc. Third main theme is medical devices. We are looking for the products and technologies for high performance wound healings. Also, we are looking for the new materials of high safety, high biodegradabilities, and also high biocompatibilities. And we also have some the pharmaceutical market products. We are looking for providing tissue specificity or drug absorption properties in the bodies. Also, this is for novel vaccine adjuvant. And also, we're looking for this other area of medical devices. If we have some unique technology, please introduce our company. Next, please. So I'd like to explain our examination criteria and intellectual property issues. In reviewing your proposals, we will evaluate the relevance of our proposal to technological needs or seeds, as well as a research plan and technology content that makes use of the wisdom, ideas, and the research facilities uniqueness to outside the company. The handling of intellectual property rights and acquired research equipment will be agreed on in the contract research agreement with you. Next, please. Research period and funding. The initial feasibility studies will be conducted for 1 year from April 2024. And depending on the result of these feasibility studies, next extension studies will be conducted for 1 year from April 2025. The R&D funding we will pay is from 2 to 5 million yen for the first feasibility studies and several tens of millions yen or more for extension studies. Next, please. So I also explained your benefits and merits of this program. We are providing 4 advantages to participating in this program. Research funding providing for you and brandings you can use for this our assets, and also this utilization of our commercialization assets. Also, we can extend your research contract if you successful the feasibility studies. Next, please. The schedule and scheme of this program. This program has been starting at October 2nd, and the deadline of your proposal is November 30th. The online meeting is holding today, but if you need another meeting or additional explanation from us, please feel free to ask us for your request through the email or main the email. And the elimination starts January 2024. And the interview will be holding on late January to February 2024 for announced candidates. And we will select some collaborators of this program by the end of March 2024. Next, please. Next, I'd like to show you an example of commercialization in our external corporate development. Next, please. The case study is about the commercialization of MPC products, MC polymer. In the 1980s, Professor Nobuo Nakabayashi of Tokyo Medical and Dental Universities and Professor Kazuhiro Ishihara of the University of Tokyo established revolutionary synthetic method for polymers with phospholipid groups. From 1994 to 1999, we conducted contract research and development as part of the production technology for polymers with phospholipid groups, an original seed development project. We succeeded in providing the synthetic method, and the technology was put to practical use. In 1999, industrial production started at our plant. And at the same time, the life science division was established to promote business expansion by creating manufacturing, sales, and research organization. In 2009, it's using contact lenses and other products and expansion to the present. Next, please. An MPC is acronym for 2-methachloroethylphosphatidylcholine, a monomer with reactive methyl group and phosphatidylcholine groups that are biocompatible and also present in cell membranes. Next, please. MPC polymer is made from the MPC monomers. Our trade name is Lipidur. The product has biocompatible features, high safety, high absorptions of biological components, and protection of cell and skin. Next, please. The function and use of Lipidur are shown at this sheet. These functions are used in medical devices, contact lenses, diagnosis, and cosmetics. And next, please. So I'd like to pass to the nine Sigma people to explain how to apply this program.
Thank you very much, Sora-san. Okay, so next we would like to explain how you actually apply to the program. I think you already seen the specific site of this program written on this page. In the homepage of this program, we have apply for this program button. So to apply for this program, you have to click this program and go to the site of 9 Sigma homepage. So to apply for the program, you need to create an account on 9 sites. And you can navigate to the 9 sites page through the apply for the program link at the top or the bottom of the website. After you went to the 9 sites website shown in the page, after logging to the 9 sites, please access to the proposal page created in the 9 sites page, the orange button, respond button. So, and after you click the respond, you have to fill in the required fields for your proposals on the page. If you have any troubles during the during applying the program or writing your proposal, and you have any troubles with your submitting your proposal, please take a look to the application manuals or the tutorial videos available on the program webpage. It's a little hard to see, but we have application guidance videos and tutorial videos. In case you can't understand how to apply, even if you've seen these two contents, please give us an email to the phd2@ninesigma.com. Okay, lastly, I will pass to the NOF about the NOF Corporation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Matsuo. So I'd like to explain briefly our company's outline. Next, please. NOF is a Japanese company. We are founded in 1993 and has been in businesses for 86 years at this year. Our head office is located in Ebisu Garden Place Tower in Shibuya, Tokyo, and our capital is 17.7 billion yen as of the March 2023. Next, please. Our business structures and group and subsidiaries. And our business structure is categorized widely on functional chemicals, pharmaceuticals, medicals, and health and explosive provisions. In function chemicals, we have oils and specialty chemicals, functional chemicals and polymers, and anti-corrosion businesses. In life science, we have functional foods, life science products, and drug delivery systems. We also have explosions and propulsion businesses. Next, please. As shown in our organizations, each business division has its own independent research laboratories to promote business expansion through the new development and new technologies and materials. In addition, we have established research management division in head offices with advanced technology research laboratories and new business development office to promote new businesses. Next, please. Indication business locations. In Japan, there are 5 head offices and branch offices, 11 plants and 8 research laboratories, 9 research laboratories. Next, please. And also, we have global offices and companies. These yellow marks are sales offices, branches, and local facilities, and research lab. And we can cover the global market through these functions. Next, please. From here to next 7 pages, I'd like to explain our each business's details briefly. The first, I will explain the activity of functional material divisions. The functional material division is expanding its market under the business theme of functional products created through the pursuit of lipid chemistries and integration with petrochemicals. So we have fatty acid derivatives and surfactants, and petrochemical products. Next, please. Functional material division also have organic peroxides, functional polymers, petrochemical products, and electrical and information products. mainly the chemical. Okay. Next, please. And we also have explosive and propulsion division. These have the theme of taking the challenges of functional with cutting-edge pyrotechnologies. Then we have explosives, pyrotechnics, filling and assembly of pyro products, and pyrotechnics and related products, environmentally friendly products, and medical materials. Next, please. Now, we also have functional food divisions. Its theme is through food functions, we contribute to building a sustainable society and the health of people. We have shortenings, margarines, cream and fat for the edible materials, and we have a powdered fat for functional food and snacks, and also related agents. And also we developed health food, natural food, functional ingredients, and so on. Next, please. We also have our life science divisions. They have contributing to technology innovation in the global pharmaceutical and medical industries with high performance life science materials. Then we have protein and peptide pharmaceuticals, antibody drug conjugate applications, hydrogel applications, gene and nucleic acid pharmaceuticals, liposome and lipid complex applications. And also we have biomedical materials like MPC and so on. Next, please. Now we also have anti-corrosion divisions. They are providing water-based chrome-free anti-corrosion treatments. It's mainly used for the automobiles. Next, please. And I'd like to explain our business directions. The three fields in which the NOF group aimed to expand its businesses in the future hold the environmental energies field, the life science and life and healthcare fields, and the electronics and information technology fields. We have developed some varieties of newly developed products from core technologies and outsourced organizations. We also continue to develop new next generation products with collaborating outside companies and organizations. Next, please. NOF has launched NOF Vision 2030, and it's currently building a business structures that will enable sustainable growth, aiming to achieving operating incomes of 60 billion yen and operating income margins of 20% or more by the end of 2030. Next, please. In the 2025 midterm business plans, we have realized practice and breakthroughs and are promoting measures to resolve issues in order to achieve these 5 basic strategies. We have promoting measures to resolve these 5 key issues. In order to address the priority issues of accelerating developing of new products and technologies, we have launched the NOF Corporation Open Innovation Program. Next, please. Oh, thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sawada. So lastly, this is all the presentation we have prepared. So lastly, we will have a Q&A session. These are the contents we already showed, but please let me add additional information. Please note that we will answer each questions with the assistance of the translator in Japanese and English. So so far we don't have any questions in the Q&A features. So okay, we have one. Okay, so Miss. Okay, we were prepared to answer the question, so please wait for the answering.
Okay, so we got 4 questions from this participant, Mohammed. Number 1, type of contract plus duration and amount of financial support. Only 1 year, or is it possible to extend? Okay, let me translate this number 1 question. 質問の1番から4番までありまして、まず1番を、はい、1つずつということで、1番をまず、通訳させていただきますと、契約の種類ですね、がまず1つの、どんな種類の契約かと、はいのが1点。続きまして、これは NOF さんからのという意味かと思われますが、ファナンシャルサポートですね。財政的支援のをいただける期間、それから、その財政支援の金額、サイズということで、はい。で、期間については、1年だけなのか、また延長していただけるのかという、はい、第1問が2つ、この2つの要素からなっております。お願いいたします。
Okay. Yeah. I'd like to reply Mr. Muhammad Amani's questions. The first, we are expecting the first year of feasibility studies. But if the feasibility study is successful for the development, yeah, we are looking for this several years contract with you. But at these programs, we are expecting the only first year feasibility studies first. And then second questions, we have the template of the agreement of these programs. But if you have your template, we are expecting your proposal of the contract and conditions and terms. No problem. And third question is multiple partners. Yeah, if you have the multiple partners, you can explain to the details on your proposals. We can consider to this size and different technologies and materials for your proposals. And number 4, I cannot find the details of the competitiveness of this fund, but basic funding of your research, it depends on your size and your technologies and how the matching of our expectations or our market and our successful. So we can discuss with you before we see your proposals. And then I already explained to this first year, the 2 to 5 million yen. But if you have your technologies much rigid in or more forms, also the already successful the technologies, we can negotiate to this size for the next step. Much more larger than no problem. Is it something the expectations you reply?
Okay, thank you very much. If this is answering your question, Mohammed, we will go to the second question. If you have any additional questions, please write down to the Q&A session. So, okay, next we have our second question.
はい、知的財産の保護の関係のご質問で、提案をする場合に、これは秘密保持契約に基づく提案になるんでしょうかというご質問ですね。
これは、
Oh,
okay.
Okay. Please let me read the question because I think all the okay. The question is to protect IP
yes.
is the application under NDA.
Excuse me. Yeah, I forgot to read it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep. Yes.
So, yeah, basically, we expected non-confidential information on your proposals. But again, if you need to show your technologies under the non-confidential agreement, yeah, we are willing to have the non-confidential agreement with you before you disclose to your details. But for the paper eliminations, you can explain your technology's non-confidential ways. It's much better and then much more faster than evaluate your technology, I think.
Okay, Mr. Sawada, thank you very much. I think this is answering your question. So we have additional questions. So, okay, Mr. Mizukami, can you translate this?
So this one from Bitna, okay. CIC Professor Bitna is asking one question. Professor Bitna is from CIC Nanogun, a tech center in Spain. And the question is that we are currently expanding our R&D into the health business, especially regenerative medicine. New products, for example, in tissue engineering, take decades to be approved. For example, FDA in the US, but potential profits are huge. Is this of interest to NOF? That's the question. And I put that into Japanese. CIC ナノ群というところの、これはスペインの技術センターというふうに書いておられますが、そちらの教授をしておられるビットナーさんという方からのご質問で、こちらの技術センターさんの方では、目下、健康関連ですね、健康医療関係に研究開発を拡張しておられるところだということで、とりわけ再生医療に注力しておられると。はい。で、ただ、その場合に、この組織工学ですね、生体組織工学といったような新しい製品、そういった分野を受ける新製品は、認可を受けるのにもう何十年もかかることがありますということですね。例えば、米国で FDA の認可を得るという場合に大変長い期間がかかりますと。なんですけれども、見込める、成功した場合に見込める利益は莫大ですよということを書いておられまして、で、ご質問としては、このような分野、こういった分野の提案をした場合、NOF 様はご関心がおありでしょうかというのがご質問です。
Thank you very much for your questions, Dr. Peter. Professor Peters, yeah, we are very excited to hear your information for regenerative material for the medicine. Yeah, we are interested in your technologies for the materials, but again, yeah, we are the material companies, so I'm not sure that your technology is much for this our businesses at this time. So if you think to this collaborate with us, yeah, please provide your proposal of these programs. Then we can discuss internally of your proposals for this program. The one successful the negotiation in our company, we may have some collaborate with.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sawada. So these are all the questions we answered for now. And if everyone have any additional questions, please write into the Q&A sessions. Or for now, we don't have any questions waiting. So if it's possible, you can raise your hand to ask the questions. Okay, is there anyone? Okay, so no question for now. So if it's all good, we might finish this presentation.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. So this is all the presentation we have today. And if you have any additional questions related to this program, please free to inform us by email, or maybe we can have a brief web meeting. Okay.
There's another
Okay, we
one.
have one question. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, let me read that. I see that 3D cell culture is not very specific, so it would be good to communicate directly. Thank you. こちら先ほどの最後の質問なさった教授ビタナーさんからのご質問で、
ごめんなさい。回答済みにすみません、移動させました。
3D 細胞培養のところ、ちょっともっと立ち入った話を多分なされたいなと思うんですね。ざっくりした表現なんで、直接またお話したいというふうな意思表示をなさってます。質問ではないですけれども。はい。
Thank you very much, Professor Bitters. Yeah, we are expecting your contact through emails or maybe phone call. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So in this program, we have a pretty wide theme. So if everyone have any questions about whether your techniques are specified to this program, please contact us to have a specific communication directly. So this is all the presentation we have today. So thank you very much for taking your time in the morning.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we are waiting for everyone's proposal. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day. Thank you very much.